Year 2009. The government of the Russian Federation ratifies the development strategy of Russia's metallurgical industry up to 2020. This is a list of top priority investment projects that will take the Russian steel industry to a new level. Year 2013. Kaluga region. Industrial Park Forsina, NLMK Kaluga, a steel-making company of the next generation. A large-scale investment project by NLMK Group based on the mini-mill concept. This integrated industrial complex comprises advanced ferrous scrap-based EAF steelmaking and rolling production. Such production does not require ore and coal. It preserves natural resources and breathes new life into metal which has already served its purpose. NLMK Kaluga is capable of producing 1.5 million tons of liquid steel per year and up to 900,000 tons of long product for use in construction. Its location in the Central Federal District, in close proximity to the largest sales market in the country, and a well-developed captive scrap collecting network are the key advantages of the new plant. The regions of the Central Federal District are not only stable sources in its raw material, scrap, but also its main consumers. After its commissioning, the plant will cover the needs of the construction industry in the Central District in rebar and sections, whereas an extensive transport network provides the company with unique logistical advantages. The plant startup is important not only for Kaluga region, but the entire Central Federal District. The Central Federal District consumes up to 40% of long products in the country today, whereas its production accounts for only 8%. Scrap is delivered to the plant by trucks and by railway. A railway network 21 kilometers long is a part of the plant's internal infrastructure and connects its terminal with the Forsina station of the Moscow Railway. Railcars arrive to the scrap preparation area, where scrap is sorted and loaded into charging buckets. After that, it is delivered to the EAF shop. Scrap is melted in the electric arc furnace using heat energy produced by the electric arc and alternative energy sources. In 36 minutes, scrap is converted into a molten mass, liquid steel. Temperature reaches 1680 degrees Celsius. After that, steel is further treated in a ladle furnace. The process is fully automated. It is here that the final chemical composition of steel is obtained. This is achieved by electric arc heating, argon blowing, and by adding the required ferro alloys. When the steel reaches its target parameters, the ladle is transferred to the turret of the continuous casing machine. NLMK Kaluga is the first in Russia to implement an 8-strand continuous casting technology. In the process of casting, steel passes through molds, where finished billets are shaped and subsequently cut to length, from 6 to 12 meters. After the CCM, the billets are transferred to a walking-type cooling bed for final cooling. The EAF shop capacity is 200 tons per hour. On average, 120 tons of steel is melted in one charge. The company uses innovative technologies ensuring resource and time saving. Among them, an advanced slag foaming technology, a single bucket charge principle, and a 150 megawatt powerful transformer. NLMK Kaluga outstrips the best global performances in energy efficiency and resource saving. Rolling production at NLMK Kaluga is fully automated. Hot steel is given its final shape at the continuous rolling mill. A billet is preheated in the furnace to approximately 1200 degrees Celsius. After that, it is transferred automatically into the stands of the rolling mill. Starting off slowly and then accelerating, the red-hot billet passes via 3 groups of stands and 2 high-speed monoblocks. In the process, it changes its shape and section, thus obtaining finished product parameters, constructional rebar, angles or I-beams. At the final stage, the product is cut and transferred to the finishing and packing line. The transformation of scrap into new steel products is complete. Bundles of finished products are transported by magnetic cranes for dispatching to customers. High-quality products from NLMK Kaluga are widely used in the construction of buildings and structures, as well as in machine building. This 21st century plant was built using the experience of the leading European companies in implementing the most efficient environment-oriented technologies. For the purpose of neutralizing industrial emissions, over 99% efficient cleaning systems have been installed. The level of emissions is less than 1 kilogram per ton of steel. The new company proves that modern steelmaking can be in harmony with the environment. The facility has a closed-loop water cycle. As a result, natural water intake is significantly lower. Wastewater discharge into the environment is completely eliminated, and waste generated in the process of production is recycled into byproducts. In the process of construction, over 7.5 billion rubles have been spent on environmental measures, a fifth of total investments into the project. NLMK Kaluga has created 1,250 high-skilled job openings. The employees are offered social guarantees and salaries above the regional average. New apartment houses have been built for 165 families of the company's employees in the city of Obninsk and the Forsina village. New openings are being created in the educational institutions of the region to train staff. A favorable geographic location, innovative technical and logistical solutions, high levels of productivity, energy and resource saving, as well as environmental safety. All this makes NLMK Kaluga an important element in the development of Russia's modern steelmaking industry.